Okay, everyone, good evening. This is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and welcome, welcome, welcome. We just received the mystery quilt block of the month for Fat Quarter Shop, and it is the designer mystery. There's quite a few mysteries going on, but this one's the designer mystery. And the designer for this one is Sherry McDonald. And if you've not seen her, you have to look her up because she is really something. She has a lot of wonderful designs, and I'm glad to see that she's designed one for the designer mystery block. So let's see. The name of her website is quiltinglife.com. So look that up. And so I think what I'm going to do is just look at these fabrics and just touch them a little bit. They're so beautiful. This is the Robin Egg Blue Sprigs of Flowers. And you can see the design is going to make good use of that beautiful robin egg blue. This is the, it has a taupe background, but it has the little blue birds. Very pretty, very pretty. Then it has this, well, it's a polka dot with bird houses. I like it. It's very pretty. And then, of course, here's the background the background material, and it is, of course, Corey Yoder of Coriander Quilts. I don't know if you can see it, but it is a tone on tone, a design on design, and it is beautiful. It's little flowers like a daisy and maybe a little rosebud here, and they are just white on white throughout the fabric. Can't see them probably. Well, maybe you can. Those are pretty, aren't they? It just gives it such a satiny sheen to it. Now, if I was motivated, I would get on this and start cutting this out right now, which I probably will by tomorrow. But I want to look at my Jane Austen, and I want to look at my panel play with you and show you the projects we're working on with those. So I am going to come back to this, and I'll put up a short when I get it done, okay? So you'll have the finished product to look at, but you did get to be part of looking at it and receiving it, and it's always such a pleasure to find it in my mailbox. I just am really enjoying this. Okay, so we'll set that off to the side,